Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of the Tall Elephant Planner. This was actually recommended by one of you guys, and thank you so much for that because I had not heard of this brand and it looks pretty cool. So I thought I'll do a walkthrough to share my thoughts on this and to also get your thoughts on how you feel about this planner. So first off, you cannot buy this planner on its own. You have to buy something called the Little Black Box, in which you get the planner along with other accessories which are going to help you in planning and living a more intentional life in 2022. So along with the planner, you get your yearly desk calendar which goes along with this, and then you get a sticker book. You also get some quote cards, and then you get a bunch of journals. We'll go through each of these things a little bit later in the video, and this is part of freebie, I guess. The journals and the quote cards are part of the freebies, so this is until the stock lasts. And let's look at the planner pages inside. So here you can see, also I do want to mention that the planner size is not your regular size when you compare it to the Ink Bucket or Alicia. So I think it's way narrower. It's more similar to the Space and Beauty planner. So you can see all the pages here in this first image. It is so colorful and there are so many illustrations that you don't need anything else, like any decorative elements, to like make your planner more pretty. I feel they've just done it all you need is a pen to write down all the things. So you have this calendar view with space to write down any events, then you just have a reference calendar, and then some nice letter from the universe. You have trackers, and then documenting traveling stuff, movies, TV shows, books, and your memories, and then vision board. See what I meant when I said everything is in there. Even the vision board page, like, it's so colorful. Even if you just write down the things and don't print out any pictures, it will do the job. Like, it's that colorful here. And then you have this goal setting section, which is the level 10 goals, mind mapping, bucket list. And this is how each month would look like. So you'll get a monthly cover page along with a blank page if you want to write down anything for that particular month, or create a spread that might not be included in here, which I highly doubt, but in case you want to add something, you can add here. And then we have the monthly calendar again with lots of colors and illustrations, and these are the weekly page. So each week has different illustrations for that particular month, although I'm not sure if the same illustrations would repeat the next month as well. That is something I'm not aware of because that's not disclosed here. So, but in one month you have different illustrations for each week, and then you have some spreads, like some trackers and stuff, and then goal tracking, monthly reflection page. Each and every page is colorful. I don't think there's any page which is just like blank and you can do what you want. I think all the pages are just added with lots of color and illustrations. And then you have these many lot of habit trackers here, and then fitness trackers. I do feel like it can get a bit overwhelming if this is your first time using the planner. It's really impressive to see what they've done, but I just by looking at it I feel a bit overwhelmed, and this has come with time for me. So initially when I started my planning journey, I used to use a lot of trackers, and then slowly over the period of time I slowly like withdrew from tracking all of my habits, and I see myself doing much better when I was tracking. So that's just something to keep in mind. Even if you like the design and you like all this colorful stuff, you can pick it up and not use these spreads. That's totally fine. So we have the meal tracker, your budgeting, like every single thing is included. I don't know, like uh, I'm not able to think of something that's not in here which I want to add or which I feel like they could have included. Anyways, these are some of the planner pages that they have showed. We'll go through the specs once we walk through all the images here. So this is the sticker book. One thing what I really liked about the sticker book is the inclusion of Indian festivals. I don't see that included in a lot of sticker books. It's all targeted towards a global community. So that is something that I really like, which is customized to the Indian market. So that's I really like that. And then see, like, lots of Indian festivals. And okay, and then we have the freebies here. So we have this quote cards, and also they have mentioned that these freebies they offer only until stock lasts. So in case you wanna you're worried about, like, if these freebies are important to you and you're worried about missing out on them, then you can place an order sooner rather than later. So in the freebies, we have quote cards, and then we have the self-reflection journal. We also have the travel journal, and then we have, I think, one dot grid and one plain notebook. So we have these, and these are like pocket size. It's not too large. So here we have all the images. Let's see what are the specs. Okay, so the paper quality looks really good, 110 GSM. So if you want to compare the GSM, the normal paper that you get in most of the notebooks are around 70 and 80 GSM. So you can just compare that in your mind to get a feel of what the paper might the paper quality might be. And here you can see all the spreads that are included in the planner, and this is just for the yearly ones. You have a bunch of other things for your monthly stuff as well. I will leave the link to this website in the description box. You can go check out all of these things in detail, because if I start saying all these things, it'll take pretty long. The video will be pretty long. So we have this sticker book, and that's what I think they've done a very good job in highlighting what makes them really different by adding that, a lot of Indian festivals are included here. So they've done a good job on highlighting that. And then we have the desk calendar. I did see a flip through of their desk calendar on their Instagram, so check that out. There are no pictures on their website. And then here are the freebies. One is the travel journal. Yes, this is the pocket size, which is A6. So A6 is nothing but like half of A5. And you have, travel journal. And then you have a self-reflection journal with quite a bit of prompts, and then you have a postcards. Okay, they're not quote cards, they're postcards, in case you want to post it to a friend of yours or someone. And a plain notebook and a dot grid notebook. So these are all the things that are included here, and the price for this, the MRP is 3499 and the offer price is 2499. When they were doing their pre-launch, they had priced at 1999. That is when I checked. I didn't place an order then, but now once the planner has launched, they've increased it to 2499. If you ask me, like, is this planner worth the price with the freebies that are in here? I feel it represents what they're offering. I don't feel like I'm getting these things for free. I feel like it's all included and they're charging me for all the products that they're offering, and not just the main products, excluding the freebies. So that is what I feel. And also most of the planners in India are available within 2000. So something, if you want beyond that, like a better quality or a better design, that is when the price crosses 2000. That is today's market pricing. So I'm actually surprised that it's about 2K for this, but it might be because of all the illustrations that they have added in here. Another thing that bothers me a little bit about this planner is, because they've included so many pages, it is quite thick, and I don't see it like opening up flat. If you see, a lot of these pages are sort of, gone here. Like it's just like crunched into the binding, and that happens when there are more pages in a book. So that is something that I just noticed, which I thought I'll mention it here. Anyways, people are raving about this planner. Anyone who has already received it or who have already placed an order, they've really liked it. And I also keep getting comments whenever I ask for any questions directly related to planner, or when I've spoken about this brand in other videos. I always get comments that, check that out, it's really nice, it's really nice. So I do see a very like uh, impressed fan following for this particular planner. So I'm interested to know how you feel about it. Did you notice things like, having too many trackers in there, or seeing the binding, and did you notice these things, or were you impressed by the color and the illustrations of this planner and you really wanted it? So let me know about that, and also let me know if you want me to pick up this planner to review it for you guys. So yeah, this was the review, or not the review. I'll be doing the review if I get the planner, but this is the walkthrough of the Tall Elephant planner. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.